Hey, I'm Brad from Colstrand. Today we're talking about some of the products from Tylaska Marine that we build into our products and also sell as standalone parts and pieces for commercial fishing. Tylaska makes release shackles that are designed to be released under load. So this is the smallest one they make, which is a T5, which is rated at 5,000 pounds. And they make them in a variety of different sizes all the way up to the T50, which is a 50,000 pound rated shackle that is designed to be released under load. So there's several different ways that you can release them. Probably the most common way that we use, like on this T30 here, is the cone style release. So we have a stainless steel cone and put onto this rope here. So when you go to release the shackle when it's under load, it pulls the trigger, which then pops the bail open. So we do this in the T30, as was this one right here, as well as the T20. We also have our quick draw skiff release that we make using the T20 shackle. And the way this one works here is when there's a load on there from the painter line to the skiff and you need to release it, you pull back and this pin actuates the trigger on that as well. So Tylaska also makes several other things within their product line that are not designed to be release shackles, one of which is like a standard pull pin shackle like this. This one is rated at 20,000 pounds. And the benefit to most of these products is that they're all made out of heat-treated stainless steel. So they last an incredibly long time in the field. And quite honestly, in the time that we've been dealing in Tylaska products, we have had no more than a handful of warranty issues or breakage of any shackle. One of the best sellers though is definitely the LH10 lifting hook. This is an all stainless steel lifting hook that is CE rated for overhead lifting. It's very similar to the steel type ones that you see on boats, but this one here, since it is all stainless, will not seize up on you, and that's a great benefit to any of the products on there. It makes it faster for the crew to be able to operate this, and gives you an incredibly long life in the field. So if you have any questions as far as the Tylaska product goes, feel free to look at our website, colstrand.com, or give one of our sales team a call.